All right, guys, 2017 Audi A7 Quattro Supercharged Beast. Here's what it sounds like before. Give me a guess. You can hear the supercharger. Wow, that sounds so good. Here's sound decibels. It's super quiet. So all you can hear is the supercharger. Look. Go ahead. That's all you hear. Nothing else. Again. Very nice. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna let you hear it after. We're gonna straight pipe it. 2017 A7. I got this thing. It's a beast. Built out the, the ears through New York. I'll show you guys under the hood in a minute. Supercharged, tune, stage 2, all these goodies under the hood, okay? But anyways, what we did on it, he wanted a little bit more sound, but nothing crazy. I don't know, does it have downpipes or cats? I don't know if it's got cats or not up there. It looks like it does. I don't think so, actually. I think it's got headers. I don't know. We'll check it in a second. We don't look under the hood yet. Left the first set of factory resonators right there. Then it's got a factory X pipe right there. Then we took a resonator out, the mid resonator right there out. And then we took out the rear mufflers there and right there to complete it. As you guys can see, much nicer, much cleaner. May give it some sound. There's the resonator that was on it. It's a dual in, dual out right there. And then the two mufflers out the back there with the fancy tips, the inner tips. And then the tips on this Audi are built into the bumper. So we left them alone. They look clean, nice. You can't do quad tips on this. You just have to take, there's a couple of clips on it. We can put quad tips in their place, but he wanted to keep the originals, so we kept the originals on. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you hear it. And like always, guys, you know what to do. Subscribe. Look at the chocolate interior, guys. He just bought this thing Friday. And he's like, I got to have it. He needed a family car. He's having a baby on the way, so congrats to him. But he needed 4 doors. Still nice, though. Look at this thing. 17. Very nice. Very clean. Quattro. By Audi. Look at that air intake. Look at the outdated coil packs. I don't know what else. Can't see anything else. But she's pretty. D6. 3.0. Quattro. They like their badges. Audi. Audi. Not bad, not bad. Tuned by engine. He laughing at me, but it's okay. All right, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to let you hear it. Oh, so much better. Listen to this thing. Yeah, it's definitely built. That is a sick car. Look at this beast. I love it. So my editor said I'm not allowed to use the word beautiful. So I'm gonna say we're gonna find a new word. Beautiful. Beautimus. It is beautimus. Beautimus. It is beautimus. Woo! All right, time for the rear. Wow, beautimus. That sounds so beautimus. I like it. He just arrived. He's happy. He's happy we're happy. That's supposed. Right at 111. Yeah, that's perfect, man. What do you think?
I didn't know it was going to do that. Oh, yeah. Awesome.
Hell yeah. No, it will beep them out. Let him back it out. It's 111 on the decibel, so that's good. It's 111. We can make it louder, so remember that. I love the look of these, man. It's so clean. Wow. bite to it. Got a mid and rear delete. Let you guys hear on the inside. Audi A7. Sorry for the construction, guys, but it is what it is. Tennessee and growth never ends. Here we go.